Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Jeep Liberty 2012. Start by putting the ignition in accessory mode, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and make it discoverable. On the Jeep head unit, open the Bluetooth menu, choose Add New Device, and select your phone from the list. Confirm the displayed PIN on both screens, then finalize pairing and test audio and calls to ensure a stable connection. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Jeep Liberty 2012. If Bluetooth is not desired, locate the AUX input on the Jeep and plug in a 3.5 cable to your phone. Switch the head unit to AUX mode and start audio playback on the phone, adjusting volume on both the phone and head unit for balance. This wired connection gives reliable audio and minimal delay for music and navigation prompts. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Jeep Liberty 2012. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is a handy companion for road trips and waiting on repairs, with a glare-free display and long battery life. It stores thousands of titles and feels light in a glove box. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Jeep Liberty 2012. If pairing problems persist, clear previous Bluetooth pairings, reboot both devices, and try pairing again step by step. Confirm the phone is not connected to another device and that Bluetooth visibility is enabled. If audio drops or calls fail, reduce distance, remove interference sources, and verify both devices have current software. Persistent faults may require a dealer or specialized technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.